Hi everyone! Today we will delve into the intricate workings of large language models, also known as LLMs, since they are the backbone of modern AI applications. This session aims to break down the complex processes into understandable segments, following a systematic approach from data collection to future trends. So first, let's discuss about data collection. The foundation of any language model is the data it learns from. This stage involves aggregating large text datasets, often referred to as corpora. These datasets are sourced from diverse textual data, including books, articles, and websites, ensuring the model has a broad and rich linguistic foundation to learn from. Now, let's discuss about the next step, that is data preprocessing. Once the data is collected, it undergoes preprocessing. This crucial step includes tokenization and normalization. Tokenization is the process of breaking down text into individual tokens, which can be words or subwords. Normalization is the process of standardizing the text, such as converting it to lowercase, removing punctuation, and handling special characters. Preprocessing ensures that the data is clean and structured, making it easier for the model to analyze and learn from. Now, let's discuss about the third step in the process, that is defining the model's architecture. So, with the preprocessed data ready, the next step is to form the model's architecture. The key components are 1. Forming the initial model structure, that is, establishing the basic framework of the neural network. 2. Building a deep learning model with several layers that can capture complex patterns in the data. 3. Utilize the transformer model, which has revolutionized NLP tasks with its efficiency and performance. And finally, that is step 4, implement attention mechanisms to allow the model to focus on relevant parts of the input text, improving context understanding. Now, let's focus on the fourth step in the process of how LLMs work, that is the training phase. Training is where the magic happens. The model learns to predict the next word in a sentence through backpropagation, that is the process of adjusting the model's weights based on the error of its predictions, and multiple passes, also known as epochs, that is the process of repeatedly passing the data through the model, refining its parameters with each pass to improve accuracy. Now, let's focus on the fifth step in the process of how LLMs work, that is the fine-tuning phase. After the initial training, the model undergoes fine-tuning to specialize in specific tasks. This process often involves specialization, that is the process of adapting the model for particular applications such as translation or summarization, and transfer learning, that is the process of leveraging pre-trained models and fine-tuning them on new task-specific datasets to achieve better performance with less data. Now we move our focus on the sixth step in the process of how LLMs work, that is the inference phase. Inference is the phase where the trained model is deployed to generate text. Here the model applies its learned knowledge to produce coherent and contextually relevant text based on the input it receives. Now that we have discussed about the inference phase, let's proceed and talk about the evaluation phase. Evaluation is a critical ongoing process as it involves continuously assessing the model's performance and making necessary adjustments to enhance its accuracy and efficiency. Now, let's discuss about the main ethical considerations that need to be addressed by LLMs as part of their development process and ongoing operation. As we advance with LLMs, ethical considerations become paramount. This includes addressing biases, thus ensuring the model does not propagate or amplify biases present in the training data, ensuring fairness, thus striving for equitable performance across different user groups, and maintaining privacy, thus safeguarding the privacy of the data used and the users interacting with the model. Now, let's discuss about the future trends in the space of large language models. Looking ahead, we can say that future trends in large language models focus on research on model efficiency, that is, developing more efficient models that require less resources, and adoption and expansion, that is, broadening the use of LLMs across various industries and applications continually improving their capabilities. To summarize, the development of large language models involves a series of meticulous steps from data collection and preprocessing to fine-tuning and ethical considerations. Each step plays a crucial role in building robust and reliable models that can transform how we interact with technology. Thank you for your attention. I hope this lecture has provided a clear understanding of the complex yet fascinating process behind large language models. For more insights on artificial intelligence, databases, programming, and tech trends, subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Stay tuned for more knowledge-packed content.